At Pantaloon Simon 2019 in Doha, we have with us one of the most energetic and absolutely wonderful singers out there. Mansi, it's so nice to see you.
No, half the energy comes from Nakshatra because she's so quirky and jumpy and cheerful and everything. So it just passes on. So it's
It's all from the airport admiration that we just shared last night. So, how are you, sir? I think you must be the most proud husband out there because I think everybody's celebrating her. I think you just saw so many people coming and requesting for Rangamma Mangamma. So, how does it feel this moment walking on the carpet with your wife?
It feels so different, and I feel very happy. I'm not able to describe how I feel.
But what was your comment? Like, what did you say after the first time you heard Rangamma Mangamma? Like, what was your.
the first one to hear it and then tell me that the song is out. Did you listen to it?
Serious?
Yeah, he was the one who told me the song is out. Please go and see the link. So it's the first
I
link
was the
for
one
me.
who told her actually. I was the one who told her that the song is out. So please listen.
But did he tell you what he thought about it then?
Yeah, I told you. My instinctive question was, how's it? How's it? He's like, it's so good. You should totally go and listen to it. I'm like, wow. So that's coming from him.
Okay, but you tell me. So, secretly, when you listen to your songs, your wife's song, how is it like?
It was very catchy. So I knew it would be a hit. But again, this much of a hit, it was not. I didn't expect it to be such a big hit, but I knew it would be a hit.
And they always say music has no language barriers and singers can absolutely translate into any language. But your song literally had no language barriers. And I think everybody from all the states enjoyed it. And it must have garnered you like a whole new fan following, right? Like, so how is it? And Rangasthalam being nominated in several categories. As a team, how do you feel?
I feel so happy. First, I feel so honored and blessed to be part of that team because it's in fact, Rangasthalam has also won an award in the national awards, So I'm so happy to be a part of such a team that is being recognized, not just for the music or not just for cinematography, not just for sound mixing, but for everything in general. So overall, it's such a beautiful film, and then to be a part of such a team is like a dream come true. And
And
of course, standing here with you is so nice.
Okay, I'm going to buy you like a biryani or something after this because you've just said too much. Like, it's just so sweet. But you know what I'm going to ask you to do next. I think it goes without saying. When you took the flight from Chennai, you must have realized that this is what we're going to make you do. So if you could do the honors.
Yes, here goes. Rangamma Mangamma, hoy Rangamma Mangamma. రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మ ఏం పిల్లడు పక్కనే ఉంటాడమ్మ పట్టించుకోడు రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మ ఏం పిల్లడు పక్కనే ఉంటాడమ్మ పట్టించుకోడు గోరు వంక వచ్చి నా గోరుగిల్లుతుంటే గోరు వంక వచ్చి నా గోరుగిల్లుతుంటే పుల్ల జీవ కొట్టిన పెదవి సలుపుతుంటే ఉఫమ్మా ఉఫమ్మా అంటూ దాంటూ ఒత్త మాటకైనా నన్ను ఊరుగోబెట్టాడు రంగమ్మ మంగమ్మ.
Oh my God, like you saw, right? She was just standing here and talking to us, and I said sing, and she just transformed. Like, does that happen to you? Like, when she's talking and she suddenly starts singing, you're like, is she still the same person?
Yeah, true.
Like, oh my God.
Song. Especially this song. Yeah, true.
Do you have any requests now? I'm going to give you also an opportunity. Any of her songs that you would like to listen to and make our fans also listen to?
What about your choice of language is okay? Any language. The latest song with Ilayaraja.
Oh, Mari's Anandi. Okay.
Yeah.
It's totally different from Rangamma Mangamma. So
Now you'll see how she transforms for this one, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, please behold.
எந்தன் உயிரே நான் உன்னை பார்த்துக்கிறேன் பட்டு துணியா போத்திக்கிறேன் என்ன மெதுவாழைய மாத்திக்கிட்டு கொஞ்சம் காதல் கீதெல்லாம் கூட்டிக்கிட்டு ஜோரா நட போட்டு வாடா என்னோட வீரா ஏ தேரா ஆட்டோல போலாம் என்னோட மீரா.
Oh my God. Like, you should be so glad you don't live with me because I would have like totally made you sing 24/7. But literally, I'm wearing full sleeves. Otherwise, you would have seen the goosebumps. It's just absolutely amazing, Mansi. Like, all hail Mansi. I know, just walk in there and go get the award and come. Like, I'm not even going to ask you how does it feel being nominated because I have a feeling you're going to win it. Otherwise, I'll flick an award and give it to you because you totally deserve it.